Alright. There was no sound on this video, which sucks. So let me give you a brief explanation of what I'm doing in the scene. Alright, we're trying to show you that relation of natural gas laws with a paintball gun. So right now I'm showing you the gun, and the volume of the gun is that barrel which I'm pointing to. And the gas tank right there exerts gas through that nozzle, which goes to the barrel. So when you cock it, when you shoot it, the pressure exerts out the paintball straight through the barrel. Alright, so the gas exerts the pressure, which is high, and the volume is low, which is the barrel, and boom, you got the clip. Let me give you an explanation of that click. Alright, and ignore my little brother in the video, alright? We can't really explain temperature with a paintball gun, so that's about it. Alright, to give you an example of temperature, imagine a regular gun, okay, like a Desert Eagle. When you use that gun too much, it will overheat due to the friction of the gun and the bullet, including the pressure you put into the gun. So, higher pressure, higher heat. Same thing as volume. Higher volume, higher heat. To continue on, we try. If you guys didn't get scenario 1, scenario 2, this is on how to be explained. Okay, scenario 1 is all about diffusion. We're showing you how methane gas, which is fart, relates to hot temperature and cold temperature. Okay? Because when it's cold, you can't smell the methane gas till later on. While higher temperatures, you can smell it like in a few minutes. So, about scenario 2, about absolute zero. We didn't explain that one really well with that scene, so let me just tell you this. Scenario 2 is all about absolute zero, okay, which stops all particles in time. Some scientists came up close to absolute zero, okay, and the laser goes slow motion. Think of the Matrix. So, and all that scenario shit, fuck, it was like we just made up in the last minutes. So we're showing how the natural gas laws, which I already explained before this video. So hold on. Okay, on the left side is P1 times V1 over T1. On the right side it's P2 V2 and over T2. So when you cross multiply, you get this answer. So this is about it. On to the credits.